Happy morning, children. Hope you all are doing good. I am very happy to interact you through online classes. Children, today I am going to revise our first lesson, Food for Us. Children, you can see here different types of food. Can you see here? Yes. When we need food, children, we need food when we are hungry. Okay, and how the food will help us? The food will help us to grow, it will give energy, it will help us to play, study, etc. Today we are going to see about food, raw and cooked food, time to eat and healthy habits. Let's learn in detail.
All living beings need food. Children, from where we get food? We get food from plants and animals. Then when we need food when we are hungry. Food helps us to grow. It gives us energy to study and play, and food keeps us healthy. Next one, raw and cooked food. Children, all fruits can be eaten raw. You know what is meant by a raw food? Raw food is a food that is not heated or cooked. Some vegetables such as cucumber, radish and carrot can be eaten raw. We have to cook some food items before we can eat them. You know why we are cooking food? Cooking improves the taste and aroma of food. Rice, dal, egg, meat and most vegetables are example for cooked food. Next one, time to eat. Children, when we eat our breakfast, yes, we have breakfast in the morning and we have lunch in the afternoon and dinner at night. Next one, healthy habits. A healthy habit is something you do regularly. Children, you want to follow some healthy habits. Wash your hands before and after every meal. Then eat fresh and clean food. Eat slowly, chew your food well. Wash fruits before eating them. Have your meals at fixed time every day. Never waste food. Children, hereafter you must follow these healthy habits.
Children, have you all got your book? Now take page number 12. Read and answer. Tick the correct pictures. We eat these when we are hungry. What will eat, children, when we are hungry? We eat food. Second one, we eat this raw. Which one we eat this raw? Brinjal or cucumber? Yes, it is cucumber. Then third one, we cook this before eating. This is cauliflower or apple. Which we will cook before eating? Cauliflower. Then we do this before and after every meal. After what you have to sleep or wash your hands, you must wash our hands. The next one, write H for healthy food habits. First one, does not wash her hands before eating. Is it a healthy habit? No. Second one, eat fresh food. Is it healthy habit? Yes, it is a healthy habit. So you want to write H. Then third one, chew his food well. Is it a healthy habit? Yes, it is also a healthy habit. Then fourth one, leaves food on her plate. We want to leave the food? No, it is not a healthy habit. Next one, think and answer. Ria's mother gave Ria an apple. What should Ria do before eating the apple? Children, what should they do? Okay, she want to wash the apple. Okay, we must wash the fruits and vegetables before we eat. Take the next page. You can see do and learn activity. Okay, who am I? Children, I am a red fruit. My name rhymes with Mary. So, which is the food? That is, I am a cherry. Okay. Then I am a vegetable. My name rhymes with parrot. So, which vegetable I am? I am a carrot. Carrot, parrot. Then I am a brown vegetable. My name rhymes with tomato. Can you guess, children? Yes, it is potato. Then fourth one, I am a red yellow fruit. My name rhymes with tango. So which one? I am a mango. Then you have to do one craft activity. Tear bits of red paper and paste them. So you have to cut the paper like this. Then what you have to do? You want to paste. Okay. Do like this. Children, all of you take your classwork. You want to take 192 page 4-line notebook. Okay, and you want to write the index and leave one page. Next line, next page, you want to start the lesson 1. Okay, before that you want to write the date here. Then at the top you want to write lesson 1 and write the lesson name, food for us. Then leave one line and write new words. What are the new words, children? Food, grow, healthy, steady, energy, raw food, cooked food, breakfast, dinner and lunch. After that you want to leave one line and write fill in the blanks. First one, we need food when we are hungry. Second one, food gives us energy to study and play. Third one, food helps us to grow. Then fourth one, we have dash in the morning. We have breakfast in the morning. Then fifth one, we have lunch in the afternoon. Sixth one, we have dinner at night. After that, you want to leave one line and write answer the following. First one, name some cooked food. Answer, rice, dal, eggs and meat. Then leave one line. One question answer finish means leave one line and write. Say number 2, name some vegetables that can be eaten raw. Cucumber, radish and carrot. Then write any 2 healthy habits. First one, wash your hands before and after every meal. Second one, eat fresh and clean food. Children, write your classwork neatly with legible handwriting without any spelling mistake. Try to do your assignment that day itself and post in our group. Okay children, now I am going to ask some questions about healthy habits. Children, does not wash your hands before eating is a healthy habit? No, it is not a healthy habit. Second one, eat fresh food. It is a healthy habit. Then third one, chew your food well. Is a healthy habit? Yes, it is a healthy habit. Then leave your food in your plate. Is it a healthy habit, children? No, it is not a healthy habit. Children, follow good healthy habits. Then copy the given classwork material in your classwork with neat and legible handwriting. We will meet in the next class. Have a nice day. Thank you.